Alright, maybe you thought you were going to put away that shovel, or maybe you thought, forget about that snow scraper and we were going to be in the clear. Is this recording? I certainly hope it is. We've got some trouble, folks, and it starts with the letter S. There's a little bit of more snow in the forecast. You know, so far for the month of February, we have already had 26.1 inches of snow, and so we could break the all-time amount of snowfall that we've had in February if we get 1.8 inches. So that's all we need by the end of February 28th, and it is a possibility. It's a good possibility. It looks like we can do that. We've got some snow already on the ground, a very light dusting. Not everybody saw the snow this afternoon, but you did see a little bit of some rain, ice accumulation, and ice as well this afternoon or early this afternoon, and then it changing over to some snow. So let's get to the radar. It's another little system that continues to come through. You can see in the areas, well, farther to the south where the temperatures were warmer and above 32, that's in the green. That was the rain. A little bit of a freezing wintry mix out there, and now still a little bit of some snow. So as we move this, we're going to see visibility came down this afternoon around the lake into the North Shore, less than a mile, but around the lake into South Bend, that was just about a half a mile. So what we're going to do is we're under a winter weather advisory for now. This is for Cook County, DuPage County, Lake, McHenry, Winnebago, and Boone. Though in northwestern Indiana, they do not have Lake or Porter County in this, but they do have the entire Fort Wayne and South Bend area, and also parts of lower Michigan because they're seeing some snow. Satellite and radar, just the last few hours, you can see a little bit of rain into Cook County and farther to the north. Most of this kept active around the lake. Even some freezing rain. I know they had some ice accumulation or very slippery grounds earlier this morning in Arlington Heights. That's reported by Steve Kahn, one of our true guys here at WGN that always keeps an eye on some storms and is a weather watcher and also is a National Weather Service retiree. And so what we're looking at now is this right here. We got the snow in Minneapolis, now moving through La Crosse. That is going to bring in snow later on tonight. How much? Well, this is not the right snow amounts. I don't even know where that graphic came from. Disregard that. We're looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in the far western suburbs, okay? But around the lake and into northwestern Indiana, maybe they could get about 2 to 4 inches. So this is tonight. We've got some light snow in the area. You could see some heavier or darker purples. That's a little bit farther to the north. And then that moves through overnight. So if you're waking up early to go vote, you're going to have to give yourself a little bit of extra time. You could have a couple of inches of snow on the ground. But we will clear the skies out. This is Tuesday in the evening. Skies will clear out. Temperatures will be falling back into the lower 20s, but we do warm up nicely for Wednesday. Temps back into the upper 30s, near 40 degrees, and we'll still have a quiet weather system. But then it looks like later on in the work week, we're looking at a new storm system. We've got changes in the forecast. Look at the change in temperature in the last 24 hours. 7 degrees in Chicago, but whopping numbers farther to the west, a good 30, 35 degrees. That's because yesterday they were very warm. We had a lot of warm air advection around the area, even though we only made it into the mid-30s. Farther to the south, they were much warmer. So winds coming off the lake make a big difference. You're going to continue to see those winds coming off the lake. We've had a little bit of some wind gust as well. But look for snow steady tonight, 2 to 4 inches. Farther outside the western suburbs, maybe 1 to 2 inches, but definitely higher around the lake. 19 to 23, and we'll be under that winter weather advisory until 6 a.m. And then we'll start seeing a decrease in cloud cover and some sunshine by the afternoon, but temperatures 28 to 32, that's it for your high. Looks like it'll be a nice day on Wednesday, 40 degrees, 39 on Thursday, but some rain, and we're bringing in more rain-snow mix, it looks like, as those temperatures fall back for Friday. Even a little bit of snow on Saturday. Saturday, the coldest on 7 days, back down into the upper 20s. And yep, that's our weather pattern. That pretty much takes us all the way until the end of February. So looks like we're bringing in a little bit more snow in the 7-day forecast, and we'll keep it here to WGN or CLTV or the ChicagoWeatherCenter.com to get your latest weather information. Definitely.